Okay, we're gonna be playing pit bike tag.
Huh?
We're gonna be playing pit bike tag, and I'm on the clappiest XR70.
Most clap bike. XR70.
Hey, it still runs like a beauty because we got it rebuilt.
Yeah,
It
but
will start
like,
up first
you
click.
need fork seals.
Hey, it needs fork seals and plastics in its set. And maybe some grips.
Seriously, look at the back of this fender, man.
It just doesn't have any back fenders. The only thing it doesn't have is a back fender and stuff.
You need side panels too, and a side panel.
Yeah, side.
You're ready for pit bike tag. Bro, you know run around the track? Let's go race.
Oh, baby. Let the bikes warm up, son. He wants to go to the track. I guess we can go to the track. Ah! Oh my god, a freaking grasshopper just got my shirt. I looped this thing out twice yesterday. I don't loop it out. Oh god, I'm not even. Oh, it just died. No! I was all the way over there. I never said we could go. Okay, go here. Pit bikes break. He's on a 125. I get him in the corners though. Oh crap! Ah! I spun out. I got that on camera. Oh my god. Yeah. Uh-uh. Whew. Ow. I slid out.
Yeah.
Dude, I wish the
That's the way to like really.
it's so dry. We need some rain.
Yeah.
My seat. Oh. Ow. Ugh. Oh. That.
Bro, that's gonna look so cool. That's gonna look so hilarious on the video.
Yeah, it is.
Video.
Oh. Okay. Okay, let's not race anymore.
You wanna just ride around?
Yeah, and play pit bike tag.
Got it.
Oh god. This thing's back tires suck, so all it does is slide out.
Go in the back corner and like.
I'll just go behind that tree.
Yeah. And go in like 25.
This thing has like, it's so easy to start. Oh, that felt good. Okay. Oh, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, a 9, a 10, 11, a 12, a 13, a 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So easy to start though. Oh, my leg. We're gonna sneak roll up on him. Oh, I crashed. I did like the same thing last night, and I like spun out. Felt good. Where is this kid? Oh! My straws on my camelback thing. It's so dusty. It's musty and crusty. Ah, grasshopper! Where would he be? If I was Bodie, where would I hide? Oh yeah. Bodie is also recording, and he has a YouTube channel, Goss Fishing and Hunting, is what it's called. And go check him out. Okay. He might be up at Hank's house. I got you! Dude, I barely touched your leg.
I know. Bro, look at the tractor.
I barely touched your leg.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's a worm on top of your helmet.
What?
There's a worm on top of your helmet. Up more, up more.
Did you get it?
Yeah, you got it. You got it with your glove. It fell off. Okay, you count exactly where you hid. Okay.
25?
Yeah, 25.
Bro, you want to go check this birdie? There's a birdie in there.
Okay, let's go high. Do a little wheelie. Hopefully I don't loop it out like I did yesterday. Oh, that sucked. Woohoo! That was good. Oh. Get my bike ready to start. Yesterday, I hid like not here, but like another place, and it took him so long to come find me. Like I literally got out. It was taking him so long that I had to get out of my spot, but I saved the spot. Bodie, the thing about him is that he always hides at that spot. There's my brother, Brody, on his four-wheeler. I'm gonna try to get a GoPro, and then when I like race, cause I like race four-wheelers and stuff, four-wheelers and dirt bikes, and I'm gonna like catch on camera. And try to like record. Get out. This is probably a dumb move, but I'd never want to just sit when we play hide and seek tag. So I'm gonna go. Oh, riding on the track. Oh crap! Think I'm going down there? No. Oh shit! Crap! Ah! Son of a gun! Played him! Let's juke him out over here. Oh God! He's right there on my foot. Don't break your ankles, kid. Oh God! Oh God! Oh! We turning. Oh God! Here we go again. There's my brother. No, we can't go faster here, Bodie. think I just ran out of gas. Tag me.
You out?
I don't know, it just randomly died.
You just died?
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
So yeah, you win.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep playing Pit by Code?
I don't care.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure. Maybe if I turn the gas on instead of on reserve. And then I'm gonna- I had the gas on reserve.
You had what?
I had it on reserve. Brody may play with us. Brody may play tag. Hey, we're counting. We're counting.
No, can I like do this real quick on the tree?
Yeah. Hey, Brody.
Yeah.
You want to play tag with us?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to count to 20, okay? Say 1, 2,
Not yet. Let me tell my phone
1, 2,
now. I'm on
3, 4, 5. Here, go to Bodie. Go to Bodie. Here, start your four-wheeler. Go. Hold the brake. Hold the brake. Oh. Hold it. Hold the brake.
I want the photo here.
What?
The photo here.
They won't start?
No, I can't wait.
It will start. He's just not holding the brake all the way. Here, hold on. Here, get off the brake. Here, hold on. Move your foot. The kill switch is on.
Where do you guys go give it a break?
I think the battery might almost be dead.
Huh?
The battery might almost be dead. It sounds like.
Take out the key and come ride with Mommy over to the garage. Okay, get it.
Okay. Let's go get it. Oh,
No, we just took out to it.
Oh,
Come here, bring the key.
What? Oh, we're going through here. Oh God. I'm gonna trick him. I'm gonna trick him. Brody! We gotta tag Bodie! We gotta tag Bodie. This is where I get it. Because he goes right here. What? Where did he go? Oh, actually, I think I might know where he is. Yep, there he is. If I could have just waited out at my spot, I could have easily. He's gonna go through the woods. that game. That game. Hey, how you doing?
Good. Hey.
Tag. Okay, well, that's probably it for today's video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna end it off here. Like and subscribe. Go to Bodie's channel, my friend Reese's channel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.